Hey, welcome back. We're going to replace the driver's side window regulator and motor today. The driver's side window will not go up. It's been stuck down for about a week. I've determined that I don't think it's the switch. I can hear the switch clicking the motor, but it's not engaging, it's not working. One of the myths I was under was that these parts were really super expensive. It wasn't. It was under $75 for the part, and the job itself I thought was like an incredibly hard job. It's a piece of cake. So, okay, our tools we need. All right, our tools we need are a small flathead screwdriver, a regular flathead screwdriver. This is a 1/4 inch, and then you need a 7mm nut driver or ratchet, whatever. It's snapped in over here, sitting in over there. So basically you want to snap it out right here, just like that. And then there's another one up here, just like so. Now sometimes these little clips will stay in there. They won't grip onto your plastic like they should. It's no big deal. You just grab them with some pliers, pull it out of there, snap him back on to his little plastic piece here, his little mounting spot. There we go. I don't know how that thing comes off there, but boy howdy. Alright, these are your plugs. You just take and push in here, push this little lever in, wiggle him out. Same with this one. Gosh dang. Boy, I tell you what. Alright, she's out. A lot of these panels in the older cars, they all snapped in around the edges. They had a bunch of snap ties, and you put a tool in here and you snap them out. Well, that's not the case. This piece right here. All right, this is the piece. It's as you can see, it's got an arm. It's got a little hook there, and then it snaps in. If you pry it out, you want to pry it out from up here. Snap, snap, comes right out. This one goes here. That basically, but on these door panels, there's a screw back here. You need your 7mm, and then there's one right here in the open. And I believe this is all. It's kind of crazy that those are the only ones holding this bad boy up. And this is a 23-year-old truck. This panel has never been off. It might have been off. I think maybe it was off once I replaced speakers. So your lock thing here, you want to try not to use a screwdriver, but get it in there far enough, nice and gentle, it pops right out. Lift up on it, bring your bottom out, like so. Okay, when you pull this off, there's a light. You can just pull the whole light out of the socket. Just pull the whole thing out. And then there's a tweeter up here. Tweeter wire. You see a little tweeter speaker. It's right here. Push the lever in. Push the lever in on the bottom. Pull it out. And we're out. Then we get this vapor barrier. We're going to have to take it off. Glass melts here. That whole glass. Alright, well, screw that. The whole glass goes in there. Okay. Get the door. Well, this is a problem that I had not anticipated. Need to get that window up here and tape it up out of the way. One thing you can't do, you can't change this thing out with the glass in it. Okay, we can move the window now. A little spot right here on the hook. Another one right here. That one's popped out. But this rack, regulator rack, will hang in those, and that'll give you the proper lining up. We're gonna lift that up out of that little slot. I'm gonna turn this down and bring this one this way. We're gonna bring this up out of here. Now what happens is, that's all there is to these things. They're really pretty simple. I always like to hand start nuts and bolts and screws, as you should know by watching any of my videos, because it's so easy to get them cross-threaded, and then with a machine, and then you screw. Okay, we gotta get our pieces down here that go to that hook to the bottom of the window. We gotta get them up there. And the best way to do that is to plug our window stuff back in here. Plug your motor in. See this thing moving over here? Okay, it's got automatic down. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our ratchet and loosen this up because it's tight, and we want it to, oh, it's not that tight, but it is closed. And we want to open it up like so your window slides down in that slot. Where's this one at? We're gonna have to do this one down here. This one's a little different than the other door. The other door had a lot better access. Okay, that one's loose and open. I'm gonna roll this up. Nice and easy. Okay, now that one's going in, and this one's going in. Okay, we got them both there. Right there, I could have loosened it right there. Okay, now we're going to torque these down so they hold window. Now they got rubber in there to protect the glass. But you do want to get them pretty snug. Right about there is good. You don't want your window falling out of these. That's good. Take our tape off. See. Beautiful. That's it. Now you just hook your stuff back up, put your vapor barrier back on here, hook your stuff back up, and hang your door panel back on there. I mean, that's pretty simple. I'm not going to do that on video. I am going to hit this with a little WD. It's white lithium grease. It's great stuff. That's all there's to it. It wasn't the switch after all, thankfully. All right, I'm gonna get this thing put back together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.